Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a haul of all the stuff that I bought. So if you saw my last video, I went uni shopping. So today I'm just going to show you guys everything that I bought. In the last vlog I didn't go to Primark, but I did go to Primark on another day, so I'll show you what I got from there as well. So yeah, Ikea, Primark and the range is where I went to. I'm also going to leave some timestamps in the description box below, so you can skip if you want to see like the bedroom stuff and kitchen stuff, if you don't want to watch the video the whole way through. So yeah, let's get started. Kitchen stuff. Now this is in no particular order, this is just me grabbing the stuff off my bed. So first things first, I got a sandwich toaster. To be honest, I only picked it up because it was on offer. Like, this is from Sainsburys. It was like £9, so I was like, I might need this, like ham and cheese toasties and stuff like that. Next, I got this. Ooh, sounds broken. I got this Brita jug because I don't like drinking tap water. I think it tastes awful. I think it comes with yeah, it comes with the cartridge as well. So this is also from Sainsburys. Next, I got some plates and bowls. Now I've watched a couple other people's YouTube videos and they said, let me not hold this, it's heavy. I've watched some other people's videos and they said, oh, you shouldn't get like white stuff, you should get stuff that is like different colours or patterns so you know that it's yours, but it's square, like the stuff's square, so I think that counts, kind of. But yeah, because it was a 12 piece, I ended up splitting half of it and gave half to my friend who's also going to uni. This is also from Sainsburys. And then I took these out of the box because there was free, but I didn't need free. So I just picked the biggest one and the littlest one, and I'll take these two. Jesus. But these are also from Sainsburys as well. Yeah, these two. Next, we have some plastic containers. These are from Sainsburys as well. I also got some glass ones, but yeah, I'll show you when I get to them. But yeah, here's some plastic containers. Now, this is from Ikea. My mum threw it in the basket. I'm not too sure what I'm supposed to be using these for. Oil. She said put oil in here so I can like ration, because you know, oil ain't cheap. Oil is not cheap. Next, we have sugar and tea. Can you see? Yeah, I didn't bother getting coffee because I don't drink coffee, so don't need that. But if you saw my last video, you saw me talking about how I want to have like a little drink section in my room. I said drinks, really it's just tea, like a hotel, because why not? So yeah, got these two. Next, I got these mugs. Oh, that the tea and sugar thing was from the range. That was from the range. But yeah, the mugs, I probably won't need all 4 of them, but these are also from the range. This is just a water bottle I got from Primark, stainless steel. Yeah, this bowl I got from Sainsburys. It didn't come part of the set that I bought, but it's a pasta bowl. The other ones are like deeper cereal bowls, and I just thought, you know what, pasta bowl, why not? Let's get it. Next, we have this big chopping board. This is from Ikea. We have a knife set. I've got this from Ikea, red knife, big boy knife, little boy knife. Ikea. A lot of this stuff is Ikea, majority of it, to be honest with you. I got these scissors, but then I also have these scissors, and I don't know why I have so many scissors. I shall split it up and give it to some other people, if anything, because I do need 4 pairs of scissors. But this, I think, is from Poundland, and these are from Ikea. Can opener. This is from the range, and a pizza cutter, wooden spoon. This is from Ikea as well. This thing, the thing that, you know, you wash up and you put your cutlery in it and stuff. This is from Ikea. I don't doubt that there's probably one already, but I didn't pick this up, my mum did, so yeah. Then I have 2 bowls. I got a plastic bowl and I got a metal bowl. I don't know where this plastic. I think the plastic bowl is from I think the plastic bowl is from Poundland, and the metal bowl is definitely from Ikea. I think this is from Poundland, but it's just a plastic bowl. You can find a plastic bowl anyway. So now I have some spoons, 2 big spoons, 2 regular knives, and they're called butter knives, and 2 forks. It was a set in Ikea, but again, I split it with Amar, so he took the other half. Is there a here. He took the other half, I kept this half because you don't need 4 forks, 4 knives, etc, etc. So yeah, we just split it. Then I got these. Now this I just wanted because they're actually wood, like they're like little, do you know what I mean? Like I really like these. These are from the range coasters, and it's really ironic because I don't even use coasters at home, but coasters, these are from the range. This is a peeler. I got this from Poundland. These little clips, these are from Poundland. This is good for, like, you know when you like open a bag of pasta, you open a bag of rice, or anything that's a packet, really. You open it and it doesn't always have like resealable stuff. You use one of these clips and cover it up. So yeah, got those. Then I got this dish. This is from Ikea. Then I have this, got a grater. Where is this from? I think this is from the range. I have 2 baking trays actually. I have this baking tray and I have this baking tray. This one's from Poundland and this one's from Ikea. I think we forgot I bought a baking tray and then we bought another one, so yeah. This is a colander. It comes out, like, it's kind of small, but I'm sure it'll do the job. This is from Poundland. I have this pan, saucepan. This is from Ikea. And then I have these little spoons because I realized that I had the regular spoons, but I didn't have little spoons and I need it for like my tea and stuff. So I got these from Sainsburys. There's 4, and I probably won't need 4. So I'll probably just split the pack again. I have spatula, big spoon, and whatever this thing's called, big spoon with holes. These are all from Poundland. I got this. It's a pizza pan and oven chip tray set. See, now I have 3 trays. I didn't think that through. I got 3 trays. I eat a lot of oven pizza and oven chips, so I just thought, why not? It was £5. This was from Argos. I got this glass container and I have a few more as well. Okay, so I have that big glass container and I have these 3 as well, and come with their lids. It's a lot of containers, but got these oven gloves. So like, oh, the containers are from Ikea and this is from, I think it's from Poundland. Now I have a lot of cups and I'm going to split these packs because I don't need all of these cups. I've got wine glasses. I don't need all 4 of them, so I should probably leave 2 here. And then I have these cups, but these cups are, oh, this is from Sainsburys. These cups are from Poundland, but yeah, I think I might leave these ones because they look like they're tall, but they're quite small cups, and 2 sips and the drink is finished. So I think I might either split it or just leave it here. Okay, next we have bathroom items. So I got 2 of these big grey towels. These are from Primark. And then I also got the matching hand towel. Yeah, the matching hand towel. And 3 face cloths as well that came with it. Well, it didn't come with it, but it was all there, so I thought, let me just get it all. And then I got this from Argos. It's like a over-the-door situation, so, and then it's got like hooks on the bottom as well, so I can hang, depending on where it hangs on the door, I can hang my towel up and whatever else. So this is from Argos. I got this small little bin because I'm sure there's a bin in the room, but I don't think there's a bathroom bin, so I wanted another one. This is from Sainsburys. And then your toilet brush and the toilet, it's called toilet roll holder. The toilet brush is from the range, and then the toilet roll holder is from Sainsburys. You guys saw me pick this up in my last video. If you watched it, go watch it. Soap dispenser, the toothbrush holder. I put like bar of soap in here. That's everything that I got for my bathroom. Okay, now we have bedroom items. First things first, I have a small ironing board, which I probably use once. I don't know. I don't iron my clothes at home because we have a tumble dryer, and if you put clothes in the tumble dryer, most times they come out and they're not greased, and you can just hang it up or whatever or put it on. So yeah, I have a, the iron is probably somewhere here. I have an iron as well. If you watched my last video, then you just saw I just got excited at the fact that it was small and wanted to pick it up. So next, I got these 2 like cushions. I'll just change I bought some cases. The cases are somewhere, the cases will come up. But yeah, these are from Ikea. And then I got this fur throw which will, you know, go at the end of my bed. That was from Primark. This mattress protector, which was from the range. Here's my duvet. It's quite small to be honest, but this is from Argos. It is 13.5 tog because, you know, winter is coming. Here I have a mattress topper. This is from Argos. I want a mattress protector and a mattress topper because this, I haven't laid on that mattress, so I don't know what it feels like, and this will make sure that whatever I'm laying on is nice and soft. This was from, I think, the range, but it's like, it goes by the front door, and to be honest, I think this is more for like front doors, whether it's like right outside, but Mum insisted that I pick this up for winter, so it basically stops the draft coming through. But yeah, I'm pretty sure this is for like front doors, not like the front door of my bedroom. But yeah, anywho, got that. Got this white blanket. This is from Primark. This white fluffy pillow, which is also from Primark. Here we have some more of my green stuff that I was saying would come later. These are my cushion covers. This is some like cube things that I got from Ikea for like storage purposes. This is like an over the door shoe thing because I wasn't sure what I was gonna do with like all my shoes, so I'm not bringing loads, but just a few. But this holds 12. Yeah, I think I got it from eBay or Amazon, one of the two. Here I have a bedding set. I got this from Sainsburys, and then these are 2 pillowcases from Primark. This has 1 pillowcase in it, but I have 2 pillows. These 2 storage cubes I got from Primark. This, if you saw my last video, you saw me pick this up while Amar proceeded to call me cringe. But yeah, I can't actually put this on the wall because, you know, they might find me for damages or whatever. So I haven't quite figured out what I'm gonna do with it yet. But I just thought, you know, pictures, why not? Yeah. You'd think I'm at least leaving the city, but they say that, you know, you should make your room your own. So I'll put pictures of my friends and family up here. I got this mirror. It literally like stands like that on a desk. This is from Ikea. This is literally for when it's time for me to do my makeup. I just thought, because the big mirror that I have now, I'm not bringing that because I don't have space. This is a diffuser because I'm a big candle person, and obviously we can't have candles in student accom. So I just thought, yeah, let's get one of these. That was from Primark. Don't ask me what I'm doing with these. I don't know yet. These are from Ikea. Yeah. This is like a little laundry basket that I got. This is from Ikea. I got some hangers from Primark. Now, I got 30 hangers. My wardrobe isn't that big, so I don't really know where I'm trying to go with all of these hangers, and I even feel like I'm gonna need more for the amount of clothes that are in my suitcase. But I can't pack light, never have packed light, never will pack light. So also bought air fryer that was meant to be in the kitchen stuff. It's in the hallway, can't be bothered to go and get it and show it to the camera, so just know that I have an air fryer and a kettle, which is also back there. But no, this is just an extension lead that I bought from Amazon, I believe. I think it was Amazon. Doorstop, which my friend Zara already told me that I probably won't be using, but hey, it was £1 from Primark. My pillows, 2 soft pillows. I got these from Argos. These are from Argos. And last but not least, I have the LED strip, you know, for like, literally everyone has one of these. Oh no, one more thing. I also got this desk lamp, which is from Ikea. And yeah, that is everything. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Yeah, I know I'm filming this video kind of late in this whole uni process, and most people have already done their uni shopping, if not already at uni. But yeah, if you want any of the direct links to any of the stuff that I got, not from Ikea or Primark, because obviously I got this in person, but some of the Argos stuff and the Amazon or eBay stuff, then let me know and I can send you, just send me a DM on Instagram or email me and I can send you the direct links for the stuff. And yeah, that's it. Like that. Oh, I haven't quite figured out where I'm going to put the stuff after I've finished. Oh, let me just throw it on the floor. Oh. pick it up afterwards. This plate, it's not a plate. This is a bit long. There's a lot of stuff. There's a lot of stuff. Okay, keep going. Oh, so, I'm out of breath.